look at this beautiful summery scenery. All the mountains. I'm probably going somewhere up there, but this is the not right direction. This is just a tour. I want to see what's in here. So I'll have to go back and then back on the road and then on the border and upwards on the mountain on this curvy road, which has a beautiful view when you go up. So I'll probably end myself somewhere around these mountains. Okay, just exploring a little bit more here. I'm so glad there are some clouds blocking the sun. Wow. I love the mountains. I mean, this scenery, nothing can beat it to me. Mountains just give you a sense of freedom, sense of being up, being somewhere up, giving you fresh air. Oh, and this actually goes. Interesting where it goes. Nothing beats the mountains. That's the bottom line. Okay, so this is a block, so this is the end of the road. Okay, I was expecting that, honestly. No problem with that. I hear a vehicle, maybe a tractor. Okay, that's not our business. So, I mean, look at that. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Wow. Astonishing. It will be even prettier when I go up the road there. So, I only went 1 kilometer. I do have to watch my battery because usually I go around 60 kilometers with ease. I mean, and I'm always pedaling. So, right now, since my last recharge, I already went 17, maybe 18 kilometers. It means I have around 42 safe, let's say 40 kilometers, and going from here all the way up there, it's around 16 kilometers, something like that. So I should be okay, but I should watch it just in case. And I have a massive uphill when I go up there on the road. It's a massive downhill when I go back, but it's still something I need to watch the battery. Okay, yeah, just enjoying the scenery here. It's beautiful. Okay, back on the main road. Okay, so wow, that's a beautiful mountain. This is the border with Jordan. If you can see the fence all around here, this is the actual border with Jordan. It seemed very hostile. You have warnings on the fence, warning of mines. But it's crazy to think that in that small area you have mines that can easily kill you. But from all the borders with Israel, the border with Jordan and Egypt is considered, to me at least, the safest. Jordan is quite friendly, and if it was the border with Syria or Lebanon, I was much more stressed. But this is all the way, it's the border with Jordan. I mean, it's not completely stressful free. I'm still riding along the border. And I'm very, how can you say it, unprotected. I'm not going that fast. I'm on a bicycle, so it's not like I'm inside a car going quite fast. So I'm an easy target for should be fine. I mean, there's all kind of thoughts. What if a sniper on the other side on the road is just aiming at me? But it's always the sense that this is Jordan. This is not extremely hostile. It's quite a friendly country. I mean, Israelis go to Jordan. Again, it's not like it's Europe, but it's much more friendly than Syria and Lebanon. I feel a little bit unsafe, scared, and stupid for doing that, but I'm willing to take the risk. Probably can't see much from the right side, but it's all mountains and valleys, and it's just so extremely weird to see a different country just a few meters away from you, and everything is different there. So good that I have a mirror. I can always see if there's an incoming car behind me. I mean, this is like a lifesaver. This is the top priority if you're riding a bicycle, especially an electric bicycle. You have to have that. Okay, so this this is the road. This is the road. Oh. Only the start. But I feel actually safer now because I'm getting a little bit away from the border itself. So I'm getting inland, so it feels a little bit safer here. But as you can see, it goes all the way up there on the mountain. That's a massive, massive uphill. And my battery already shows 4 bars. Oh, and this is the struggle. Yeah. The GoPro probably doesn't show you how it really looks like. This is a massive uphill. It's even this is even a struggle for a car. Actually, no, this one is alright. Yeah, let's see how this bike will pass me by. The pace, they have so much more power than I do. Oh crap! The U-turns here have a massive uphill. Oh, let me show you let me stop for a second here. I want to show you because it's just stunning. It is just stunning. Let me stop here. Look at all the incoming bikers. Wow. Look at this view. Just crazy. I really can't believe that I was just down there and I already went all the way up here on my bike, on my electric bike. This is crazy. Okay, let's continue. I thought it was a cave, but it's just a shithole. Okay, so I've been through a real struggle here with my bike going up this hill. This one was absolutely massive hill, and I mean the bike just, you couldn't make it. I have to pedal with power myself, and you can see, well, it's a massive uphill. I'm a little bit worried my motor or my battery is not overheating, so I don't want to put it through a lot of stress. So I'm giving it a rest for a few minutes. Oh my god. Wow. I mean, mean, it doesn't look like a massive uphill. It is an uphill, but you can't really tell how massive it is until the bike is struggling. But seriously, look at this road. I mean, I have to show you. I have to show you what I went through with my bike so you can like appreciate it. I hope you can see it with the GoPro. Look at that road. You can see all that road. This is where I came from. I went all this uphill all the way here, and I probably have a little bit, but I'm probably 70-80% went through it. Yeah, so the way down will be obviously fun and easier. Still have to be careful on on the U-turns. But wow, this is just, look at all the valley. All this valley is Jordan. Probably, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this is all Jordan. It's crazy to be in Israel to see a valley of a different country. Wow, and these astonishing mountains. Wow. I have to drink for a little bit. Yeah, just give my bike a little rest. It's still pretty cold. Oh yeah, drinking is lifesaver. Well, still going up. Massive uphill is incoming. Oh, this is the struggle. Yeah. Wow. Oh my God, I'm pushing it. Left. Yes. Putting power to the pedals. If not my power, it will probably stop. Battery is on 3 bars at the moment. I only went like 11 kilometers since I started from down there. Yeah, another massive uphill. I'm not sure if the bike is struggling because it's already stressed too much, overheated or something like that. Because the way I saw it, it should be handle it. Okay, so I'm in this road of nowhere. It's not even on the map. I just went like a few hundred meters. I'm already up the mountain. Maybe this is the main road over there. When I go back, you don't see it, but it's quite close. And it maybe goes a little more up, a little more uphill, and that's it. But I went through like 90%, 95%, but just like an unmarked road. and I'm just exploring it. The road is pretty bad over this section, but I want to continue, but I'm not going to go downhill much. It was an asphalt until this section, pretty broken asphalt, but still an asphalt. Okay, now it's okay. It's going a little bit downhill, but I'm just curious, what is this road? I can see cellular antenna. It probably goes there. It's probably just a reception site, but still very cool road nonetheless. I mean, it's not even on the map. I was just opening Google Maps and it's not even showing on the map. That. Have to be careful here. Okay. It looked like a military area. Yeah, I'm not going to proceed from here, I'm not sure, I don't feel safe. It looks abandoned, the gate is open. Absolutely no idea what is this place and why is it open like that. I don't like, and there's probably a lot of reception from this place, so I will just turn around. Nothing to see here. Oh, come on. Okay. So, going back to the main road. So I'm 30 kilometers since I started. Oh crap. Both hands on the handlebar. So 13 kilometers since I started. Don't know if you can see the screen. Let's say I have around 15 safe kilometers to go. Battery is on 3 bars, but as on my previous experience, when the battery goes 3 bar, it can get really dangerous because suddenly it can go 2 bars and it means the battery is mostly dead. And I just went a massive uphill, so I don't know how much more stress it's taking from the battery. Apparently it is, but if you conclude, if you're doing the same road and you go back all the way, it will be stressless for the motor, so you can still go the same number of kilometers. But the thing that can happen is that I will have that battery, and I will have to rely on the downhill section. Oh, and you can see the view over here. Not sure how much you can see. Oh, the wind is so chilling. Wow, that was an extreme uphill. And the battery went to 4 bars. Okay, going back to the main road. Let me show you the detour, the unmarked detour. This is the main road, not sure if you can see it, but we'll just meet it in a T section over here. Okay, it seems like the battery is good to go again, giving me power, giving me good power. Okay. We have a little broken road over here, so let's be careful. Oh, yeah, we go. That's... Okay. You can see. And there you go, the main road. This is the way back. A massive downhill, but it's still a little bit of uphill, probably even more. You'll see, but I already went through the most hard parts. Yeah, so this is the main road. Going back and continue the journey. I want to be safe. I don't want to be stuck with no battery, especially here, and so I'm doing association now. I should have around, say, 15 kilometers, but the massive uphill got a lot of charge from the battery, so it's not like the same. But yeah, look at this road. I even have a private section for myself here. It's already 9 o'clock. It's more than an hour since I started. Getting heating up by the minute, but so far it's still manageable. It's still right. I have this wind on me, so it's nice. My only concern is the battery. How much more was the battery consumed on this uphill? It's showing 3 bars, and when I see 3 bars, I'm getting a little bit worried. So by kilometers, I should have 15, even more safe to go. But this is only considering the battery was not like going through a lot of power on the uphill. Oh, this is a beautiful road. and since I'm on an up elevation, not sure how much, I will check in a second, it's quite nice weather over here. It's windy. Oh, beautiful road. Yes, beautiful road. I'm so glad I went through this path, although it was extremely tough for me and my bike. But there it is. Safe to say, I'm down with the uphill, and this is flat road from now on. There could be some downhills, uphills, but we are on the mountain at the moment. We have the Sea of Galilee on the left, and just all the Golan heights on the right. It's a beautiful road. I always like riding in the Golan heights. It gives you freedom, the mountains, the air, everything. Let's go on the right lane. Well, I'm still rolling. This is so fun. I mean, the wind is blowing. It's not super hot, especially when you go at speed. And the road is mostly empty. I mean, I feel like I'm alone in here. And the road is wide, and you have these massive fields around me. This is so fun. Wow. It's just such a fun area and road to ride at. But I should probably turn around and go back soon. Okay, well, it is time to go back. Okay, on my way back now. I think the stabilization is still off, so it's a little bit shaky, but I'm on my way back. I'm exhausted, to be honest. I didn't sleep well at night, so yeah, and yeah, we'll have a massive downhill incoming. Okay, here we go. This is the start of fun. So currently been doing 25 kilometers, and yeah, let's roll. I'm not sure how much my GoPro will, because it doesn't have much battery left. 25%. Let's roll. Steep slope and dangerous curves. Yep. Yes, it is. And we have some goats over here. Lights on. Fucking shit, I almost that road. Okay. Not going to talk much because there's plenty of breeze to cover it. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Okay. target. Okay, never mind. Let's go. Slow and steady. No rush. getting so much hot in here. So much hotter when you go down in elevation.